Cookie's not a big fan of grapefruit. She's trying though. She's trying to get there. El día de hoy me voy a participar en un taller de barro aquí en Oaxaca. Today, I'm going to be participating in a clay workshop here in Oaxaca. When I was much younger, I worked with clay a lot, but it's been some time, and I want to get back into it because I really love the way it feels in my hands. I hope to create some artworks that I can include in my exhibitions later this year, but we'll have to see how the process goes. So I would tell you, as an artist and a creator, to not be afraid of trying new things or of returning to techniques that you haven't tried in a while. It's okay to have that risk of failure because it also presents a wonderful growth opportunity in your creative practice. On the bus ride into the city, I thought of how sometimes there's a fear of trying new things. But on the other side of that fear is an edge of excitement. When we go into new experiences, or ones we haven't had in some time, it opens our synapses to be flexible to what life brings us. At Comboco, Cristo and Corelli were setting up for the workshop. Estar abierto a nuevas experiencias nos ayuda a crecer. Seeing them reminded me that my openness to moving to Oaxaca last year made it possible to meet my new friends and have these experiences. Filling out my name tag made it seem like I was back in school. Corelli nos mostró las técnicas del barro. Here's my idea. I wanted to take a collage of mine and translate it into clay. There's something that just feels satisfying about working with clay, like it's been hardwired into our DNA over thousands of years. It's squishy. It's malleable. In short, it's flexible, just like I want to be in life. Everyone's projects were coming along nicely. I inscribed the details for my character into the surface of the clay, gradually bringing it into sharper focus.
Sí, creo que sí buscamos ser éticos y pues dignificar también el trabajo de los talleristas.
Las patitas y ya nada más le das como que lo modelas un poquito y le vuelves a agregar para darle así. No sé,
Ok, pensaba agregar las patas.
Looking at my character, the stories of love and loss written on his skin signifies that openness to life I'm trying to cultivate. As the workshop wound down, I walked up to the azotea to reflect on the day's experiences. Wow, that was really fun to work with clay again. I really enjoyed creating that piece. It's based on one of my collages. I was telling Cristo, there's something about clay that is somatic. It brings you back into your body. And I think it's because it's made from the material of the earth, just like we are. Well, I'm letting it dry, and then we'll see how it turns out. Me gusta mucho el apoyo de Carelli, la maestra por el día, y convocó con Cristo y Jazz. Thanks for coming along today.
O sea, y les he pegado madrazos a los tornillos.
Es tu energía. Estás muy cargado de energía.
Sí.
We closed out the day with a spontaneous dinner with Cristo's mom.
Todos se ponen poser, ¿no?
Yo me lo estaba así con
And then I headed home. The thing I like about Komboko is I get to expand my creativity, but also develop my friendships and my social life there. Today was really fun, working with clay, creating a new piece. I hope to make a series that I can show later this year. Don't be afraid to expand your practice, to try new things, or revisit things that you've already done in the past, and get out there and make those connections. Gracias por acompañarme, mis amigos. Ten cuidado. Te amo.